Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Logistify tutorial series. Today, we're going to show you how to manage vehicle categories using our dispatch software. Let's get started. First, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Vehicle Category. This will take you to the list of vehicles already available. To add a new vehicle, click Add New. Enter the category name and upload the vehicle image. Next, fill in the number of passengers, number of big luggage, and number of small luggage. List the priority of the category and provide category details. Then, select Display Vehicle in Online Booking Engine and Display Price in Online Booking Engine. Enter the minimum notice period required for bookings. You can choose to either display a warning message if booking within the notice period or prevent booking within the notice period and display a message. Once all the details are entered, click Submit. The new vehicle category will now appear in the list. You can view the vehicle by clicking the eye icon. You have the option to delete by clicking the trash bin icon next to the eye. And that's it. You've successfully managed vehicle categories in Logistify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks.